Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Kenya, and I'm going to be styling my daughter's hair today. Her hair is freshly washed. It is still damp. I do stress, please maintain your hair when it's damp. It's best. So she wanted me to try these lock pedals and barrel twists, which is something that is not new. It's very old, but it's new to my channel. And as I'm showing you guys, you're going to need rubber bands. You're going to need rubber bands to hold it, from what I've seen. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and put everything to the side. I am not a professional at doing barrel twist. I've tried it a few times. I kind of stay away from it because I don't feel like I have mastered it enough. So typically that's why you guys will see whenever I style their hair, I would just braid it in whatever direction I want. But she wanted me to try it again. As you can see, guys, her hair has a little bit of new growth, but it's not enough for me to tighten it. And if this is your first time watching, guys, yes, I do interlock their hair. My hair, everyone's hair in my house is interlocked. But because her hair is not going to be tightened right now, she do have a little frizz around the base of the lock. So I'm just trying to make it look a little neat, you know, wrapping it around just to make it look cute, look a little neat. But yeah, the way that I start my barrel twist, because I'm not a pro, I don't know if there's other ways of starting it, but I would just braid it just to have that starter base for me to start wrapping. And you're just supposed to wrap from side to side. So you take one lock or two lock, however many you want to use. And I'm just taking like one, and I wrap twice because when I tried wrapping just once, it was starting to like fall and it wasn't showing that solid barrel twist that's supposed to be there. It was more looking like a braid. So I would wrap it twice, and because of the length of her hair, I feel like I have to. Yeah, so just keep on doing it until you get to the end. I'm not going to be doing it all the way to the end like how you guys see some other people do it, because I'm going to be doing the lock petals at the end of her hair. And I almost forgot to mention, guys, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, don't forget to smash the heck out of that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell, guys, so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. Also drop some video suggestions down there in the comment box. And before you leave, as you're watching this video, hit that like button, guys. Don't wait till the end. Just go ahead and hit it so you won't forget. Yeah, like I said, comment down below. Follow me on social media, guys. And yeah, keep on watching. All right, it is now complete. I've done all the barrel twists around the hair, and I'm going to show you the front. I'm sorry you wasn't able to see me doing the front, but I had to have her sit in that direction. But this is the way the results that came out with. And yeah, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the lock petals on the side, which is gonna take forever because I was trying to debate, should I do one at a time or do two? So I decided to do two. Now the only thing is, guys, because you're supposed to take them and just bend it upward, as you're gonna see, and put it up at the top of, you know, the part that you have that's loose, and take a rubber band and seal it with the rubber band. You don't want to put it too tight, but you don't want to put it too loose because it will possibly come out. So that's basically all you're doing, guys. It's pretty easy. When I first saw it, I was like, what the world? What was they using? I didn't understand until I saw a tutorial, and I was like, what? I got rubber bands in my drawer. Let's get it going on. But just because it look cute don't mean that everybody has the patience to sit there and do this, guys, because as you can see how small her locks is, and I had to sit there. I'm glad I chose to do two at a time and not one at a time. And also, some of the locks are not the same length, so even though they wasn't the same length, I bought them to both the tips together, and I put it up, and it did make a little, like, I like the way it fell when I did it that way instead of looking for locks that were the same length. So if your locks are not the same length, still bring the tips together and fold it, and it will give it like two hoops in one, kind of like I don't know how to explain it, like a little droop fall. I don't know. But I done moved on to my other daughter's hair, y'all. I'm so sorry, but I did do her hair as well, y'all. She didn't want me to go ahead and style it or do nothing like that. She just wanted two ponytails, and she wanted the lock petals done to her hair as well. So normally she always have her hair in two ponytails, and it just looks boring and just, you know, fall to her. It looks flat. So she was like, okay, let her try it on her hair and see. Maybe it'll give it a little bit more fullness of the two ponytails. And that's what we're going to see if she likes it or not. She better like it, because, y'all, I told him, like, this is not something that's going to be done all the time, because this takes a lot of time and a lot of rubber bands. So yeah. So I'm doing her hair as well, and I'll be back to explain. If I have to explain anything, I'll be back, y'all. So one side is done, and so far I liked it. When I first saw that first side done, I was like, oh, it looks so cute. So I'm moving on to the other side, y'all. It felt like forever. I'm going to go back and show you guys the results of my other daughter's hair, but I wanted to just, you know, do it like they do on TV, where they have you waiting for the end. So yeah, you guys tell me which style you like the best, which style you probably tried before. I don't know. I like both of them. They both fit each one of them, because, like, my daughter, this one right here, Nessa, she don't mind looking like a little kid, even when she probably about in her 20s. She don't mind if she look 12. So she likes styles like this. So I think it fit her completely. And we're back on my first client. Her style is almost complete. I have the last little ponytail thing and the last lock petal to lock, and I'm almost done. You might as well say I'm done now, y'all, because bam, I'm done. Look at that. I'm so happy. Thumbs up for that, y'all. This is the sides. Bring it around, show you the top. She looks happy because this is her first time seeing it. And she's like, oh, I'm gonna go in and, like, you know, brush up her edges and everything and lay her edges out when she get up in the morning for school. But yeah, guys, it's cute. I like the fullness. And this is the result of my second client. Her hair looks pretty good too. I was using the brush, and she is just so, oh my gosh, so extra, y'all. That brush is as soft as some dang fur. It's very soft. But this is the result. I love it. I love the fullness. She's gonna turn around and see it for herself too, and she loves it. Thanks guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. See y'all in the next one. Toodles.